Okay, so for this next assignment, you're gonna go in and you're going to be drawing the basic outline of your skeleton onto your final project using the grid that we just created. So I'm just gonna kind of explain how I use the grid. What I do is I focus on one section at a time, and I kind of tend to draw on the picture first to try and figure out kind of where the lines belong, like so. And I'll kind of draw over here, kind of get an idea. And obviously I'll go in and get details later, but I'm getting the basic outline. I'm gonna kind of draw here and see, and this is not a straight line, so I'm gonna go make it a little more wiggly. And then this one goes right here. So as you can see, I'm comparing while I go. To try and make it as accurate as possible. And as I work, I'm going to continue to move along the basic outline of this, but I'll also add the details. So I'm going to pause right here and kind of show you how to add those details. If there's something happening that you're going to end up needing to know about while you're shading, that's what you're going to want to add in. So I'm going to want to make sure I have some of these ridges in here. And you're going to go get all of these details. There's kind of like a little spike here. I'm going to go get that. And then keep going. My head tends to go back and forth between these two as I'm working, and I think that helps to get more of the details. Now I'm going to continue this line. Make sure you're drawing nice and light. You're not going too hard with this. I'm gonna get this little nook right there. Okay, obviously I'm not gonna be able to finish this entire thing, but I kind of wanted to just show you an example of what I was expecting of you. I'm also gonna want you to go get any details in the background that are happening. So just make sure you get all of those details. Any shadows. I need to add this little line right here. Okay. So that kind of gives you an idea of how to start off. There are a few things I'm looking for. I'm looking that you drew lightly. I'm also looking that you got the basic outline and followed the grid. So if the top of the head is right here, it should be there on the grid, and it should be as close as possible. Now, it can be a little bit off, but I want you to get the basic grid down and the basic outline of your skull or your skeleton or whatever you decided to do. Make sure you're also getting a lot of these details. So within this eye, I'm going to get all these details within it, all this texture that's happening. Get as much detail as possible, because that's going to make it so much easier for when you are shading. So those are the three things I'm looking for. This is going to help you with your shading process and make it a little bit easier for you when you do go in and start shading. Awesome. Good luck.